Okay, this is a Lie-Nielsen event. Here is the place. Some flyers. Sharpening jig. Other block plane. Some stickers. Sharpening jig. A display of bench chisels and mortise chisels, I believe. There's some mortise chisels, fishtail chisels, shooting board plane, demonstration here, scrapers. Oh, I want this. I can't get it anymore. Oh, it's a screwdriver. There's a 4.5, low angle ones, a 5.5. Some back saws, a fro, number 7, 6, 5.5 is not here. Marking gauges, burnishing tool, small router plane. Oh, that's nice. Dowel plate, screwdrivers. Number 1. Oh, there's a high angle 4.5. You can see the angle difference there. 10.25. 97, I think. Right-handed. 73, 42, 41. I think I have 42. 140, which is a big improvement over the Stanley one. It has a fence. 66, router plane, spoke shaves, tone and groove, curved bottom, 49, that's probably 48, yeah, that's number 48. I'll have that too, forgot the number. I think this is 85, yeah, number 85, scraper plane. There's a shave horse. The fine work there. A lot of spoke shaves. All exotic hardwood.
Thank you so much. I'll be back. It's nice meeting you. And I'm Laura.
More, not behind glass. Oh, these are the blanks before they were made into spoke shaves. Other blanks. Look at that spoke shave. I mean, shave horse. Oh, I like this. This Russ book for making chairs. His information. Oh, look at this. And this clock. The corner got damaged a little bit. And more boxes.
It's okay for them to hire me.
For President Jimmy Carter.